Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Monday, March 1st, 2021. It is 7:40 and 51 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, 4D Bioengineering. So let's hop to it. 4D Bioengineering Materials. Bend curve like natural tissue. Date March 1st, 2021. Source, University of Illinois at Chicago. Summary. Researchers have developed new 4D hydrogels, 3D materials that have the ability to change shape over time in response to stimuli, that can morph multiple times in a pre-programmed or on-demand manner in response to external trigger signals. Tissue engineering has long depended on geometrically static scaffolds seated with cells in the lab to create new tissues and even organs. The scaffolding material, usually a biodegradable polymer structure, is applied with cells and the cells, if supplied with the right nutrients, then develop in the tissue as the underlying scaffold biodegrades. But this model ignores the extraordinarily dynamic morphological processes that underlie the natural development of tissues. Researchers show that these new materials may be used to help develop tissues that more closely resemble their natural counterparts, which are subject to forces that drive movement during their formation. The hydrogels can be programmed or induced to undergo multiple controllable shape changes over time. This strategy creates experimental conditions to partially mimic or stimulate the continuous different shape changes that developing or healing tissues undergo. And it may let us study morphogenesis and also help us engineer tissue architectures that more closely resemble native tissues. The novel material is made up of different hydrogels that swell or shrink at different rates and extends in response to water or in the concentration of calcium. By creating complex layering patterns, the researchers can guide the conglomerate material to bend one way or another as the layers swell and or shrink. The researchers can change the shape of these materials by adjusting, for example, the amount of calcium present. In their experiments, the researchers were able to cause the hydrogel to form into pockets similar in shape to alveoli, the tiny sac-like structures in the lung where gas exchange takes place. Not only are Augsburg hydrogels able to change their architecture multiple times, but they also are highly cytocompatible, which means they can have incorporated cells and the cells remain alive, something that many exciting 4D materials are unable to do. Researchers are really looking forward to pushing the limits of what our unique hydrogel systems can do in terms of tissue engineering. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.